Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from DesignSense. Today we are going to learn about another powerful command of the CADPower, which is the CP DWGSET command. This command is most useful command for those CAD user who are switching from the AutoCAD to BricsCAD. So without any delay, let's start this command. For apply this command, we have the various method. First method is the from the BricsCAD plus menu bar. From here we need to go to the sports submenu. In this list you can see we have the drawing setting. This is the our CP DWGSET command. So we can open this command from here. Another option is from the ribbon bar. In the ribbon bar we need to go to the BricsCAD plus tab. In the BricsCAD plus tab we have this panel freeware by the CADPower. In this drop down list you can find this command here, drawing settings. Also we can apply this command from the shortcut command, which is the CP DWGSET and then enter. And now you can see we have the all important settings in the single window. So you can directly access these settings from here. Maybe this video will goes lengthy, so I will divide it into the 3 to 4 parts. So today in the first part we are going to learn about the display settings. In the next part we are going to learn about other settings. In the another part we are going to learn about these pending settings. So let's start with the display settings. In the display setting, mostly we can change the sizes related to our these options. So first option is the PICKBOX. So what is the PICKBOX? I am going to click on the OK, and now you can see the cursor. As you can see in the cursor we have a small box in the center of the cursor. So this is the our PICKBOX. And another option of the PICKBOX is the if I apply the pedit command. Now you can see this cursor converted into a small box. This is also PICKBOX. So we can change its size from the drawing settings. So I am going to apply the command again, CP DWGSET, enter. And from here we can change the PICKBOX size. Here default size is the 6, so I am going to change it into the 10 and then OK. Now you can see our PICKBOX size is now changed. So like this we can change the PICKBOX size. Open the drawing setting window, and here I will reset this value to the 6. Now next option is the aperture. We can change the aperture value from here. And what is use of the aperture? How quickly cursor will capture this entity, it's all depend on the aperture value. So we can change the aperture value from the drawing setting. So we can change the aperture value from here for quickly capture the entities. So next option is the snap marker size. What is the snap marker size? For example, I am going to draw a line, L, enter, first point here. And now if I want to join this line on the end point of this line, then you can see this is the red box. It's called the snap point. So we can change the size of this snap point from the drawing setting. So I'm going to again apply the CP DWGSET command. Change this value, snap marker size 20, and then OK. To apply the line command, L, enter, click here first point. So if I am going to take the cursor on this end point, you can see this snap point size is now increased. So we can change the size of this snap point from the drawing setting. So again I am going to open the drawing setting, and now here reset this value to the 6. And next option is the grip size. So we can change the grip size from here. And what is the grip size? If I select this line, we have these green boxes. So we can change the size of these grips from the drawing setting window. So here you can see we have the grip size value. We can change it 4 to 10, then OK. If I am going to again select this entity, you can see our grip size is now increased. So we can change the grip size from the drawing settings. Open the drawing window, and here I am going to reset this value to the 4. And next option is the cursor size. We can change the cursor size directly from here. I need to change this value, cursor size, from 5 to 50. Click on OK. Now you can see our cursor size is now increased. So like this we can change the cursor size. So I am going to reset this value into the 5. This way we can change the sizes of these options in the display setting. In the next video we are going to learn about other settings. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos and share these videos with your colleagues. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.